Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today I'm just going to be showing you how you can transfer your video files into MP3 using VLC Media Player. If you don't have VLC on your computer, you can download it, then follow these steps. You're going to go to Media, Convert or Save. Once you click on that, you just have to go to Add. And from Add, you're going to search for the video that you would like to be converted into MP3 format. Let's go with this one. Once you have added the video file here, you want to go to Convert or Save. And then from here, you have to go to the drop-down menu and search for MP3. Mine is already on MP3, but if you don't see it, all you have to do is scroll down to find MP3. Next, you're going to have to choose the file destination that you want the new file to be saved in. So I'm going to save the new file right there, so I'll just click on Save. So this is where the new file will be saved. So destination file, all you have to do is browse and choose where you want the new file to be saved. Click on Start. So you can see at the bottom where you see the blue line going across as if it's playing, that's the converting taking place. And once that is finished, you will have your MP3 file ready in the file location that you chose. So we're just going to wait until this is through. Okay, so it's finished. We're going to open our audio file. Let's look at how to create. So this is what the audio file now looks like. Let's look at how to create a card for your. If you know something about Audacity, you will know that if it's not an audio file, we can't open it in Audacity. So let's just prove that it's an audio file and it's no longer a video file. Notice that it's importing the MP3 file. So if it was not an MP3, it would not be imported in Audacity. And this was just to prove to you that this method actually works. So this is a quick and easy way in which you can convert your video files to MP3 format. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, smash that like button if you like my content, and click that notification bell so you will know when I upload new content. See you in the next one.